You're sitting somewhere quiet, and your stomach decides to perform a concert. That growling sound isn't just hunger. It's your digestive system literally cleaning house. When your stomach's empty, muscles keep contracting to move leftover food and air around, creating rumbling noises called borborygmi. Fancy, right? It gets louder when you're hungry because there's nothing to muffle the sound. It's like your stomach saying, "Hey, we finished maintenance. Where's the next delivery?" So next time it growls mid-meeting, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body running diagnostics.